All right, everybody, totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today we're going to be checking out Playa Cabuyal in Guanacaste Province, just near the Papagayo Peninsula right over here. This is a really nice beach, guys, pretty close to the Liberia International Airport. So in this video, we'll do a walkie-talkie tour here. We'll also do a bit of a drive. I'll show you guys how to get here from right around the Liberia International Airport, right down to this parking lot here. And we're going to put the drone up and look at some drone footage from this super incredible beach. And not too many people here. Look at this. Not too many people here at all. Not too many people here at all. I like it. I like it. Guys, if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave a comment, as always, with your questions, feedback, requests for places you want me to stop during my travels here in Costa Rica. That's what this channel is. I just drive around, pull out the camera, pull out the drone, and show you guys places that you can add to your itinerary for your vacation here in Costa Rica. Very cool. And check the links in the description below. I put a lot of the stuff that I use while I'm traveling here on Amazon. Buy me a coffee down there. Pick up an eSIM before your vacation so you get data connection when you land here. Now guys, before we begin, let's talk about how to get here and look at some of the drive. Starting off with Costa Rica in its entirety, we're going to zoom in on Guanacaste Province. There is Playa Cabuyal in relation to Liberia. We'll zoom in on the international airport there. That's probably where you'll be landing if you are heading to any of the beaches in Guanacaste. We're going to take this road down here through Comunidad. We'll see this bridge. There's a bridge right there. We're going to see it in a moment. And you basically turn on Highway 253 right there and start heading back towards the north. All the way back towards the north, past Iguanita. Now there's a road here that you're going to take. We'll show you guys that in the video in a moment. And basically you're going to turn down these roads here and drive through these fields. We're going to see this mirador, Cabuyal, and then you just continue on towards the beach, and there's parking right up at the sand. So we will start right up here, guys, at the bridges. There's one driving bridge, one walking bridge up towards the Liberia Airport. This is the road you're probably going to go down if you go to any of the beaches in Guanacaste. Any of them. Right down this way, there's a town called Comunidad. That's where we're going to be heading, and then turning right to get to Cabuyal. And then I'll show you guys this way. Just on the other side of this bridge, there's a little town called Guardia. It's pretty much like in the same area as as Comunidad. And this is the bridge. So if you head down this road, maybe 10 minutes, you'll be at the Liberia International Airport. There's a big river here. I actually have a video up. One time I was crossing here, there's a crocodile right down there, and the police were down there trying to like use a stick to get him into the water or something like that. It's quite interesting. So there are crocodiles in this water. Do not swim here. Look at this. Watch your step. Watch your step. Any murky water in Costa Rica, I just automatically assume there's crocs. Not going in it. Not going in it. And just recently, this bridge was like closed. There was a problem here. Something happened on the bridge and they had to close it. There was a lot of traffic going on. Very unfortunate. A lot of people were waiting a long time to cross the bridge, I heard. Cool. Look at the water, eh? Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness, man. There's a cool car. Fast and Furious, bro. V-Tech. I'm just looking if there's crocodiles, guys. Can we see any crocodiles here? I guess it would be better if there were none, because then in the event that I fall for some reason. Cool. Now right up here, guys, there's a bunch of like restaurants. There's a grocery store right off to the right. There's a police station up here. And there's like a bunch of rental cars. So between here and the airport, this is where all like the rental car agencies are. There's a coffee tour up here, I think. There's a bunch of stuff. It's pretty cool. Take a look back. There's the bridge. So nice. Let's do one more look over. Okay, now, what are we doing? Where are we going? I'm kind of losing track of my mind here. Yes, we're going to Playa Cabuyal. So let's get back in the car and head to the beach. So we'll pull back onto the road here. There are parking areas on either side of the bridge. If you're passing through, you can stop and get some food or look, see if there's crocodiles in the river. Now we're going to be turning right up at the Do It Center. That's what it's called, the Do It Center. There's an El Lagar there, hardware store, which is one of my favorite pastimes, just walking around hardware stores looking for things I don't really need. It's like Christmas. It's a hardware store that's kind of like a Home Depot or Lowe's. You can walk around and browse. I love it. Now, this is going to give you an idea of the drive for most of the route. There's pastures on either side, some farms going on, well-paved road. Pretty scenic, pretty breezy too. As you approach this intersection, we're going to stop here because it's crucial if you want to get to Playa Cabuyal that you make the right turn. All right, so here we are at the first stop that I want to show you guys if you're heading out here. So where that car just came from, that's where we came from right here. So once again, back towards the Liberia Airport there in Comunidad. So we're heading this way, as you can see in the sign. Playa Cabuyal is this way. Looks paved. Last time I came out here, I don't know if this was paved. This might be new stuff here. Might be easier to get to. I'm excited to see. Now going this way, guys, this way is where the Marina Papagayo is. It's where Planet Hollywood is. What other signs we got? Andaz. I think the Ritz-Carlton is out there. The Four Seasons is out on the peninsula there. There's some signs for marina charters. We're gonna show. Oh man, that truck is full of trees. That was the coolest thing ever. Maybe it was the coolest thing I've just seen since I stopped here. What other signs do we got here? What are we looking at here, guys? Peninsula Papagayo, join the club. I will not, because I think there is a cost associated with the club. But if you guys know anything about the club, let me know. And Chalets Papagayo. I don't know what that is. Hopefully we see that on the way through. That's pretty cool. What do they got there? 2 kilometers ahead. 2 kilometers. Okay, so they got TV. They got TV. So let's get back in the car and continue driving here. And as we continue along the well-paved road, thank you to everybody who's buying a coffee. Giving a little tip for these videos. If you appreciate these videos, you can click the link in the description or on screen right now. Scan it with your QR code. There are the cabinas off on the left side that we had seen earlier. So paved all the way up to here. Now here's a bridge that, if I recall correctly, this bridge was in a bad state of repair the last time I came through. So it's all fixed up now, looking good, easy to traverse. Here we are descending the hill down into Cabuyal, and we're going to stop at that mirador where you can take a look at the whole bay. All right, so let's make a pit stop right here, guys. I love this spot. I love this spot. I stopped here last time. So that's where we're heading right down there. This is kind of like the descent here. So we're heading down there. The road kind of goes along there, if I remember correctly. And that is where we came from. So it's not too steep, and it's paved thus far. So really nice, really nice. Easy drive so far, easy drive. What do we got around here though? Looks like there's some barbed wire. They probably run cattle in this field here. I can see all kinds of butterflies. Look at these butterflies right here. Let's zoom in on them. Oh, then they're gone. They're gone, of course. The second I zoom in. So look at that. I can see like the estuary. I can kind of see like an estuary over there. Maybe it's like a mangrove. You know what I mean? Like, it's so nice. I am so excited to get down to that beach there. There's a big cool island. I bet we're going to see that on the drone once I get down there and check it out. Look at the mountains all around here. Super, super nice. So let's finish the last part of the drive here. Continuing down, guys, watch out for this tree. That must have been one important tree because they built the road around it. And I've seen that a few times in Costa Rica. I think it's actually pretty cool, but just don't run into it, of course. So here's where the road actually ends its paved section. Right across this bridge, it starts into gravel. But fortunately, it's rainy season and the gravel's like hard packed. You just have to watch out for these inverted speed bumps. There's a couple houses off on the right, and it looks like these gullies are for drainage. So if you got a small car like I do, most definitely slow down for those. And here we are, just a minute drive beyond that, we start getting towards the actual beach. Now off on the right side, there's some paid parking and a restaurant. The public parking area is just right up here on the left though. And we have arrived. Awesome. Playa Cabuyal de Liberia. Very nice, very nice. Like what I'm seeing. Very clean park here, very clean park. And guys, I got to say that from the last time I came here, I recall it was a lot more difficult to get in here, I think, in the road. So that road only slightly unpaved. So that's good. Here is once again the beach. Once again the beach, guys. So let's take it all in. Let's take it all in here. Now guys, let's go do the live water test with the water shoes, guys. These are the water shoes that I'm using. You can see on the bottom, they're all muddy, but they have these drainage holes all along the bottom. These are amazing for Costa Rica. I use them everywhere I go. I'm gonna slide them back on. And let's go do the live water test here. The water is actually like here, people come here because the waves aren't very strong considering there's no like land, you know, like blocking the waves. So we'll do that first. There's all the way down the beach. I think right there, I think that whole landscape situation right there is like a national park. I'm pretty sure. That is between like here and Playa del Coco, where the resort called Dreams Las Mareas is. And then of course the Papagayo Peninsula is like up over there. You can see not too many people down here. It's a weekday. I think we're here on a Friday. So here's the live water test. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Let's see how it looks first. Oh, rolling in. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, cold. Cold and refreshing, guys. Cold and refreshing. Kind of murky here at the shore, as is to be expected with the waves breaking in. Let's go check out this park area. I don't even know if that was here the last time I was here. It's been years since I came here. There's like some stuff over there. You saw when we were rolling in, there's some restaurant right here. Casa, it was called Casa something. So that's cool. I already ate though. I already ate my chips. That's my breakfast. Just getting the chips in me. There's a whole picnic area here. Now, what color is this sand? I'm gonna say like gray. It's not exactly white. It's getting a little white hue up here, little white tones, but still gray sand, I'd say. Let's head over here, man. This is nice. This is nice. Look at all these seating areas here. Very, very nice. Dragonflies all over the place. So this looks like a mangrove back here. Let's go see if we can check out anything. See if we can see any wildlife back there. I don't see any wildlife. I hear wildlife. I can hear it. Can't see it though. Let's go right over here. So there's another little kids play thing. And it looks like this path like continues on up on yonder. But you guys can walk that when you come here. Let me know how it is. And you know what? I'm going to grab one of these chairs here and let's put the drone up and see what this looks like from the sky. Welcome aboard the drone flight at Playa Cabuyal. Look at the sand there. It's so clean. So clean. Perfect sand. This is going to be a good drone flight. I'm excited. There's the parking area where we started the video. You can see some buildings there. The road coming in. The mangrove off on the right. There's the beach heading towards the south. So that's kind of heading further away from the parking area. There's the estuary all the way at the end. There is the thing that is not an island, evidently. Not an island out there. There's a wide shot of the beach. Now we got to drizzle a little butter on the shots here. This is it. This is the slippery one with the speed ramp. And we're going to do a little look back. That's the drone equivalent of looking back sultry like right there. And there's just a big wide shot of the beach, the green, the sand, the water. All right. Excellent, guys. I hope you enjoyed some of that drone footage as much as I like making it. I love flying the drone around, taking nice photos, nice videos, buttery smooth on the sticks, as always. As always. So guys, there you have it, Playa Cabuyal. Add it to your vacation itinerary if you're in Guanacaste, if you're landing in Liberia. Could be the first beach you visit if you come down here. Very, very nice. As always, guys, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Tickle the bell notification icon. So when I upload a new video, you get a little notification. As always, leave a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Just say hello. Where are you guys watching from? I'm always interested to see where the viewers are. And let me know when you're coming to Costa Rica on vacation, where you're going to be heading. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.